ये सजाटल सेक्शन का स्पेसिमेन है. This is part of the skull. External occipital protuberance. This is outer table and inner table of skull, and here is the cancellous bone. This is fold of dura mater, that is falx cerebri. What is falx cerebri? Falx cerebri वो फोल्ड होता है ड्यूरा मैटर का जो दो सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फीयर को सेपरेट करता है. ठीक है ना. ये सेरेबेलम है. हाँ. ये कॉर्पस कैलोसम, मिड ब्रेन, पोन्स, मेडुला. जस्ट बिलो दी कॉर्पस कैलोसम ये जो दिख रहा है आपको, ये है सेप्टम लुसिडम. और ये जो कैविटी है, दिस इज कैविटी ऑफ लेटरल वेंट्रिकल. एंड हियर इज द थर्ड वेंट्रिकल. एंड दिस ट्रायंगुलर शेप इज फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल. So lateral ventricle, third ventricle, fourth ventricle. Communication between these ventricular system between third and this is interventricular foramen or foramen of Monro. Communication between lateral ventricle and third ventricle. This is cerebral aqueduct. Communication between third ventricle and fourth ventricle. Cerebral aqueduct. Lateral ventricle, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. So fourth ventricle is the cavity of hindbrain. So this is part of hindbrain, cerebellum, pons, medulla. Parts of corpus callosum. This inverted part is rostrum, genu, large part is body and the splenium part. Nasal part of the specimen, this is nasal septum और मीडियल वॉल ऑफ द, ये है मीडियल वॉल नोज का, जिसको बोलते हैं अपन, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, नेजल सेप्टम. तो सम पार्ट ऑफ नेजल सेप्टम इज मेड अप बाय द बोन, इथेमोइड बोन. सम पार्ट इज द सेप्टल कार्टिलेज, cartilaginous part, and some part is the cuticular part. Cuticular, the part that is fibrofatty tissue covered with the skin. So these all constitute the medial wall of the nose, that is nasal septum. After separating or reflecting this, that is lateral wall of the nose. In the lateral wall of the nose, there are three bony shelf-like projections known as concave. There are three concave from above downward. Superior concave, smaller, middle one, middle concave, concha, and the inferior concha. Importance of these concha are these increases the surface area of the lateral wall of the nose for the air conditioning of the air, and the space between these concha known as the meatus. इनके बीच में जो space है उनको बोलते हैं meatus. So below superior concha, superior meatus, below middle concha, middle meatus, and below inferior concha, inferior meatus. Openings in these meatus below the inferior concha, that is inferior meatus, at the junction of anterior 1/3 and posterior 2/3, there is opening of nasolacrimal duct. And in the middle meatus, there is a swelling known as bulla ethmoidalis or ethmoidal bulla. Underneath there is opening of middle ethmoidal air sinus, and here there is a hiatus semilunaris, a half moon shaped sulcus that is known as hiatus semilunaris. At the anterior end of there is opening of frontal sinus, and middle of this hiatus semilunaris there is opening of which, कौन सा साइनस पढ़ा था अभी आपने, एंटीरियर ethmoidal air sinus, posterior and maxillary air sinus. There are four sinus that opens into the middle meatus, middle ethmoidal air sinus. In the bulla ethmoidalis, in the hiatus semilunaris, there are three sinus, anteriorly, frontal sinus, in the center, anterior ethmoidal air sinus, and the posterior there is maxillary ear sinus. Below the superior concha there is, यहाँ पर है superior meatus. Here is opening of posterior ethmoidal air sinus, and just above this there is sphenoethmoidal recess. Sphenoethmoidal recess. Here is opening of sphenoidal air sinus, है ना. तो ये सारी चीजें रहती हैं.